Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by chilling and coating the chips so they behave in the batter. Once the chips are very cold, toss them with a tablespoon or two of flour. This creates a light barrier that reduces sinking. Make sure your batter is ready. Thicker batters hold chips better. Now, fold chips in gently at the very end, using slow strokes. This preserves air in the batter and evenly distributes chips without breaking them. Once chips are folded in, adjust batter if it seems too loose. Add a couple of tablespoons of flour or reduce liquid slightly, because stability prevents chips from sinking. Spoon batter into the pan and position extra chips on top where you want concentrated pockets. This gives visual and textural contrast. When you transfer to the oven, bake at about 175 degrees to 180 degrees C. Make sure to start. You must cool the cake briefly in the pan, about 10 to 15 minutes, then remove to a rack so steam doesn't collapse edges. Once slightly cool, press a few warm chips or a ganache on top for shine and immediate visual appeal. If chips sank into the crumb, all is not lost. Make a simple glaze or melted chocolate and spread it across the surface, or press extra chips onto the top. This hides sinking and boosts flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.